I just had my first order for car diffusers on TikTok Shop. So pack it with me. This is for Cindy, and Cindy got 2 cleansing car diffusers in her order. Now these are intention car diffusers. They're also non-toxic and TBG free, but they also have herbs and crystals and Reiki in them. So cleansing is really good for your car. Cleanse the negative energy out of it. Cleanse your energy, cleanse your aura. This is really good for people who have a lot of people in their car at once. Uber drivers, kids, that kind of thing. So 2 cleansings. And she also got an awakening wax melt. This one's good for like meditation, journaling, also clear messages from spirit. So yes, bestseller awakening wax melts. Let's pack this up for her. If you want to see what the car diffusers look like, I will insert a photo here or a video. Something. I'll insert something here. But we also can't forget her packed on TikTok stickers, so she knows that we packed this on TikTok. Thank you, Cindy. If you want to get car diffusers or wax melts, they all have intention in them. They're all curated. You can go to my TikTok shop. It's right there. Bye. Thanks, Cindy.